Hare Madhav. My name is Divya Kada and I'm currently pursuing LLB. I'll be starting my fifth year from the August month, and it gives me immense pleasure to share that whatever I have been blessed with, I'm about to share with you all. Babaji has always blessed me, and I know he always will. It's the story back in 2019 when I started for preparing CLAT, which is a LLB examination, entrance examination. I wasn't sure that I'll be able to make it because COVID came, and that's when I realized that I am not very well versed with the facts. I am not ahead of people. People are way much ahead of me because I am from Katni and they are from outside in big cities. However, with Babaji's blessing and the studies, my parents' support, my family and friends that Babaji provided me has helped me, and I've reached to one of the most prestigious college. It belongs to top 20 universities. There also when I went, I thought there are people from diverse regions. I am no one and I do not belong to this place. However, I made it to one of the prestigious moot court competition. I was the runner-up. I was the best speaker and the best oralist. Today, if I search my name on the Google and I write the name for my competition, I see myself receiving that trophy. And that's all because of Babaji's blessing. I know I do not hold any such positions which one should acknowledge. However, wherever I am today, it's because of Sai Ishwar Shahji and my Babaji's blessing. Today, there have been times where I have went to depression phases, anxiety, and that's the time when I've remembered and prayed and remembered how my Babaji is there for me. He has my back. And I recently, in the month of March, met with an accident where my skin almost got lacerated. It got teared apart and stretched. It is 2 centimeters away from the eye. It could have been in my eye. However, I believe it's because of Babaji who saved me, and I'm here present today about to start my judicial preparation, Civil Judge Magistrate Entry Level 1. I'll be starting my preparation. It has been 3 days that I started my preparation. Today I came to Darbar Sahib Ji where I asked for the permission from Babaji that I'm about to start my preparation. Please bless me. To which he had conversations. The words Bhalo Thindo, Meher Thindi, Rahmat Thindi has always been in my ears, and these are the words that have been motivated me and have pushed me to go ahead and ahead in life. I will again say that I do not hold a significant position in my life. However, I believe one day I will hold that position, and the assurance that Babaji gave me that yes, I'll become someday, something one day, has and will always motivate me to become something. Today, when I conversed with him, he asked me, CJ क्या होता है, DJ क्या होता है? I believe he was testing me whether I know what DJ and CJ is. He asked me क्या 20 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, 25 क्वेश्चन आते हैं. I told him Babaji it's in level, prelims, mains and interview. It was all about that he was making me revise those things so that I should be well prepared and well versed with the things. I believe I will make it to that day, and I know that will all be because of my Babaji's blessing. And I thank you all for everything, Babaji, that you have made me today and that I will become in future. Hare Madhav.